How to clear the YouTube cache on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, scroll down and tap on apps. As you tap on apps, tap on manage apps again. This will lead you to the list of apps that you have on your device and wait until it loads. So as soon as it loads, you can just search for the YouTube application, which is at the bottom of the screen over here, and then tap on it, and you can go to the storage option over here that's available. So as you tap on it, you can see the cache over here. So you just have to tap on clear data option at the bottom of the screen, and it will give you two options of either to clear all data or clear cache. So tap on clear cache and then tap on OK and wait for a while, and there you go, your cache has been cleared. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.